Hey, how are you?
Chipotle, please.
Chipotle?
Yes.
Well, first, you're on the stats cab.
Wow.
Crazy, crazy. All right. The rules are you'll be asked basic stats knowledge questions.
Okay.
Your first 4 questions are worth $25. The 4 after that are worth $50.
All right.
And the remaining after that are all worth $100.
Alrighty.
3 strikes and you're out.
You got it. I don't know if I'm ready for this.
Nobody's ready for stats cab unless you took Miss Stats class.
All right.
Question number 1. If a test was generally very easy, except for a few students who have very low scores, then the distribution of the scores would be blank.
I have no clue, so I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say positively skewed.
That's incorrect.
Oh.
That's your first strike, and you're still at $0. Question number 2. When the frequency distribution of one of the variables is shown, what is that called?
Wow. These are hard questions. I'm gonna go with skewed.
That's incorrect. The correct answer would be marginal distribution. Did you not take statistics at all?
No, I didn't.
Question number 3. What should you look for when describing the shape of a distribution?
Wow. Well, this is a tough question. I guess I've learned nothing in Mrs. Smith's class. I'm gonna have to go with skewed data.
That's incorrect.
Oh, Mrs. Smith is killing me.
Yeah, I'm sorry. You're gonna have to get out.
Right here.
Yeah, that's as far as you go.
5-10 minutes away from Chipotle.
It's a rough life.
The struggle's real.
Have a good day.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Hi.
Where are you guys going today?
Tops American Grill.
Okay, yeah. I know where that is. Welcome to the Stats Cab.
Oh my god, no way.
The rules are you will be asked basic stats knowledge questions. Your first 4 questions will be worth $25. The 4 after that will be worth $50, and any remaining questions after that are worth $100. Do you have any questions?
Nope, sounds good.
3 strikes and you're out, so don't get any wrong.
Baseball.
Almost. Question number 1. When 2 events have no outcomes in common, the event is known to be...
They're not in common, so they're not like together. So
Not like
disjoint?
disjoint.
Disjoint.
Is that your final answer?
Final answer.
That is correct.
Woo! Woo! One down.
Question number 2. What is the sum of all the possible outcomes?
Oh, that's easy.
That's one.
Yeah.
It's a simple one.
Is that your final answer?
Yep.
That is correct. You're up to $50
Yay.
with no strikes. So question number 3. What is the standard deviation of a sampling distribution called?
I don't know.
Some kind of error.
Oh, when it's in like a sample,
Standard sample.
standard error,
I guess. It's sampling error.
sampling error.
Is that your final answer?
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect.
Gosh, what was it?
Correct answer is standard error.
Oh, I thought so.
Question number 4. Each time we obtain a simulated answer to our question, the process is also known as...
Oh, it's like that's what they do when people get arrested.
Oh yeah, they
Persecution.
Yeah, the trial.
trial.
They go on trial.
Is that your final answer?
Yep.
Yes, trial.
That is correct.
Taking stats this year is really paying off.
So you guys are at $75 with 1 strike.
Nice.
You're now on to the $50 question round.
Ready.
Question number 5. A sample refers to a group in your study, whereas a blank refers to a distinct group of people.
It's like the
Like
group as a
everybody.
whole. It's like the census.
Oh, when people do the census.
It measures
The population.
Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, that is correct.
Yes.
Woo! Your sixth and final question, right as we're pulling up. In an experimental research study, the primary goal is to isolate and identify the effect produced by the blank. What is the blank?
Wait.
It's like
When you're like by
variable of
yourself.
something.
It is variable.
It's like the independence of the
Independent
variable.
The independent variable. We have to get this right.
Is that your final answer?
I think so.
Yeah.
That is correct.
Got it.
Well, you guys are here. Have a good day.
Thanks. Thanks for the money.
No problem. $175.
Hi, how are you?
Hey.
How are you today?
Where you guys going?
Waterworks!
Okay, I got you. But first, welcome to the Stats Cab.
What?
As the rules go, 3 strikes and you're out. Welcome to the Stats Cab. You will be asked questions about basic stats knowledge. $25 questions for the first 4. The next 4 will be $50, and after that, they're all $100 questions. You guys get it?
Uh-huh.
Question number 1. Sampling schemes that combine several sampling methods is known as...
We learned this in 10th grade stats, Marco. Is it multi-stage sampling?
Yes.
Multi-stage sampling!
That is correct.
Woo!
Your first $25. Alright, second question. In an experiment, the primary purpose of blocking is to reduce what?
I know this one. It's like
I don't know this one. Versace?
cloak.
Oh no, that's what we wear.
Oh, variation.
Variation!
That is correct. Number 3. The resulting combination of combined outcomes is...
I want to say
A gala?
like a party.
Oh, it's like a party. Which event?
I think so.
Event.
Yeah.
That is correct.
We're perfect.
You're up to $75. Probability of 2 different events that are related is referred to as...
I think it's joint probability.
Nah, I think it's conditional.
You sure?
I think I'm positive on this one.
Alright, we're gonna go with conditional probability.
Is that your final answer?
That's what my significant other says.
Yes.
I'm sorry, that is incorrect. That is your first strike. And
Are you serious?
I'm sorry.
You're not getting it.
the correct answer was joint probability.
Damn it.
My bad.
It is your bad.
We're now moving on to the $50 question round. You have a total of $75. Let's try to earn some money, boys. A value based on the outcome of a random event is...
Oh, this is kind of random.
Really random. Like it's a variable, but
Like a random variable?
I think so.
Random variable.
Yeah.
That is correct.
Woo!
You're now up to $125. Now on to question number 6. What is the variable of interest in a binomial model?
I don't know this
I
one.
have no idea.
I mean, you guys still have your shout-outs.
We're gonna use a sidewalk shout out.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. Can you give us a hand? Hi, we're in the stats cab, and we're being asked a question and we don't know the answer. Can you give us a hand?
Sure, I can.
All right. Our question is, what is the variable of interest in a binomial model?
I think it's probability of failure.
We're gonna go with probability of failure.
That answer is incorrect.
Are you serious? That's $50.
Just try.
Leave! You suck.
Bye, Shane. That's another X. 2. 1 away from leaving the stats cab.
I mean, then we're gonna have to walk to Waterworks.
This is your final strike if you get this one wrong. Name 2 graphs associated with categorical variables.
I know one. It's the polka dot plot.
Okay. And I think I know the cake chart.
Yeah, the cake chart. We're gonna go with the polka dot
Yeah.
plot and the cake chart.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. That's your third strike.
What?
The correct answer was a bar graph and a pie chart.
Are you sure?
I'm positive. Your third strike. I guess you're gonna have to walk the rest of the way to the bar. Have a good day.
And
Thanks for playing in the stats cab.
thank you for cheating us of money. Now we have to go. Fine.
The door's open! Stats cab, you guys have to get down 3 X's! 3 X's!
I'm going.
Second question. When the frequency, oh wow, is that frequent? What word is that? Wow, 518 biker gang too. Did you see that? It's frequency, but I was just okay. Yeah. I know where that is. But first, you guys are on. Oh my Jesus Christ, that door. So you're gonna be asked basic knowledge stats questions, and your first 20. Wow. I'm sorry, that was not what I wanted to say. Your first 25. Wow. No, your first 4 questions are $25. Your next 4, 15.